In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Depop account. Whether you're new to Depop or simply in need of a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step of the login process, ensuring you're all set to explore what Depop has to offer. To begin, open a web browser of your choice and navigate to the Depop website. You'll find it by typing www.depop.com into your URL bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you'll notice the layout is vibrant and welcoming, with easy-to-navigate sections. Focus your attention on the top right corner of the homepage, where you'll see the Login button. Click on it to proceed to the next step. After clicking Login, you'll be presented with several options to access your account. Depop provides flexibility here, allowing you to choose the method that best suits your preferences. You can log in using your email and password, which is the traditional route for many. Alternatively, if you're a fan of maintaining connectivity across platforms, you might opt for logging in with Google or Apple credentials. These options can streamline your experience, especially if you use these services frequently. For those opting to use an email and password, make sure you enter the information accurately. This might seem obvious, but it's a common source of login issues. Double check for any typos in both your email address and password. It's very easy to accidentally hit the wrong key or have your caps lock on. If you're using Google or Apple, simply follow the prompts provided, which usually involve selecting or verifying the corresponding account. Once all your details are entered, click the Login button. This simple step is more than just a formality. It's your gateway to an array of possibilities on Depop, allowing you to connect with a community of fashion enthusiasts and discover unique items. To summarize, logging into Depop is a straightforward process. Remember to go to www.depop.com, click on Login at the top right, choose your preferred login method, be it email and password, Google or Apple, and provide your accurate details before hitting the final login button. By following these steps, you can swiftly gain access to your Depop account, letting you dive right into curating your personal style or selling your own items. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel prepared to enjoy all that Depop has to offer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.